This video will go over functionality centered around complex groundwater sites in FUDSChem. Note that this functionality is available only to core users with access to the FUDS program database. For information on Google Earth functionality that is available to all users, please refer to our Google Earth Tutorials playlist, linked in the description. For those users, this functionality can be accessed by clicking the Export Properties to Google Earth link under the Complex Groundwater section on the dashboard. Alternatively, they can go to Maps, Export Properties to Google Earth. In the interface, select the desired districts. We'll choose Kansas City and Omaha. Choose Complex Groundwater Site and New Sites Added in the Property Attributes dropdown. We'll select Either for optimization review so that projects with and without optimization review data will both be shown. We'll select Yes for Active in FUDSChem to see only projects that have data entered in FUDSChem. As we select different options in the dropdowns, the number of properties that matches our criteria changes. We'll select All Properties. Once parameters are set, click Export KML Layer to create a KML file, which can be opened in Google Earth. Alternatively, you can click Export KML Layer to CSV, which contains the same data as the Google Earth export in a format that can be opened in Excel. When we open the KML file in Google Earth, both selected districts will be shown in the left-hand Places bar. Each district can be expanded to show properties. We'll expand Omaha. Properties shown in blue are complex groundwater sites without optimization review data available. Properties in orange are complex groundwater sites that have optimization review data available. Properties in green are not complex groundwater sites. We'll click on the first orange property, Lincoln Air Force Base Site 8, to open up a pop-up which includes basic information about the property. More detailed information is available for several sections by clicking on the corresponding detailed link. Clicking the detail link next to Property Attributes opens up a Factors Affecting Property Cleanup Goals report. The first time you open a report, you will be asked to log in. The login information will be the same as the login used for FUDSChem. Requiring a login keeps the live data seen on these reports secure. This report shows information on the property, including projects associated with that property and factors affecting their cleanup goals. Back in Google Earth, clicking on the detail link next to Optimization Review opens up optimization recommendations for property. This report shows a list of recommendations, whether or not they were implemented, the date of implementation, district feedback, and alternative recommendations, as well as comments and cost information. For properties that do not have optimization review information available, a blank report will display. Back in Google Earth, clicking on the detail link next to Active in FUDSChem opens up a Property Detail in FUDSChem report. This report shows the types of data included in FUDSChem for the selected property, along with the number of data points available for each data type. All Google Earth reports can be exported to a variety of formats by clicking on the floppy disk icon. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.